So Ginny got a new laptop yesterday, which means I have to go drop off her old laptop to FedEx to ship to her work. And because of that, because I have to go outside anyway, I thought it might be interesting to go see what New York looks like in pause. So I'm gonna go explore a little bit. I've got my mask, I'll be wearing gloves, and I'm gonna be really careful. But it's also a good opportunity to see if the city has taken a turn for the worse, heaven forbid. Then Ginny and I know that we should rent a car and drive down to Georgia maybe tomorrow. We're playing it by ear every day. We're probably gonna stick around. I don't foresee the proverbial shit hitting the proverbial fan, but I thought it might be fun to go explore in the most safe way possible. So, let's go. It doesn't work.
train I've ever been on, but it is also the cleanest. Like, look how shiny that bench is. I can't believe it. I've never seen it not covered in a layer of filth. Granted, the floor is covered in a layer of filth, but here it's shining.